Hi children, second class, all of you take out your course books, volume 1 course book, our clothes lesson. Already we completed our clothes lesson introduction and about winter season also. And we are learning in this our clothes lesson, we are learning about seasons. Yes or no? There are 3 seasons. What are the seasons? What are the seasons? Winter season. Yes or no? The first season is the winter season. Second season is the summer season. And the third season is the rainy season. And one more topic also is there in this lesson only, that is about kinds of clothes. Kinds of clothes. Yes or no? Yes. So already we completed our clothes. Now today in this class we learn about the summer season, rainy season and kinds of clothes. Okay children. Now our topic is a rainy season. Summer season. So today we learn, in this class we learn about the summer season. Today's our topic is the summer season. We are going to start the summer season. Take out your course book, page number 55. Okay. In summer season, it is very hot. Yes or no? Yes, in summer season, sun will be very hot. Yes or no? Yes, in summer season, we cannot go out and play. Our parents will not allow us to play outside also because the sun will be very hot. బయటికి వెళ్ళాలి అంటే చాలా ఎండగా ఉంటుంది కదా సమ్మర్ సీజన్లో. సో విల్ నాట్ గో అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద హౌస్ అండ్ విల్ నాట్ ప్లే. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఎస్. So we wear cotton clothes, cotton and light colored clothes. In summer season, the climate will be very hot and our body also will become very hot. If there is no fan, we can't stay in our house also. Yes or no? Because the climate is very hot. So to keep our body cool, which clothes we will wear? In summer season, which clothes we will wear to keep our body cool? To keep our body cool, we should wear cotton clothes. These cotton clothes keeps our body very cool. And cotton clothes are light colored. Light colored means white color clothes like this. Light ga unna colors clothes maatrame vesukovali. Dark colors clothes we should not wear. Because this cotton clothes and this light colored clothes keeps our body, this both will keeps our body cool in a summer season. Keeps our body cool. Okay children? In summer season, which type of clothes we should wear? Means we should wear cotton clothes and light colored clothes. Why we should wear cotton clothes and light colored clothes? Means the cotton clothes and the light colored clothes will keep our body cool in a summer season. The summer season is very hot. So to keep our body cool, మన బాడీని చాలా చల్లగా ఉంచుకోవడానికి, to keep our body cool, we should wear cotton and light colored clothes. Yes. Cotton clothes keeps us cool. Which clothes keeps us cool? Cotton clothes keeps us cool. Whereas in winter season, woolen clothes keeps us warm. Yes or no? Winter season lo చాలా climate మొత్తం చల్లగా ఉంటది కాబట్టి to keep our body warm, to keep our body hot, we will wear woolen clothes. Yes or no? Like sweaters. And in summer season, we should wear cotton clothes to keep our body cool. And never wear black colored clothes in summer. And we should not prefer any black colored clothes. We should not wear any black color clothes. We should not wear. We should not wear in summer season. Because this black color will attract some more heat. So if we wear black color means our body will become double heat. So we should not wear any black colored clothes in a summer season because this black color attracts the more heat. Okay, it attracts the more heat and it keeps our body very hot. So ఈ బ్లాక్ కలర్ కి హీట్ అంటే వేడి అంటే ఎండ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. సో ఏమవుతుంది, ఈ బ్లాక్ కలర్ క్లాత్స్ వేసుకున్న వాళ్ళకి ఎండ చాలా ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. దేర్ బాడీ విల్ బి వెరీ హాట్. సో టు అవాయిడ్ దట్ హాట్నెస్, we should not wear black colored clothes. In which season? Summer season. In summer season, we should not wear any black colored clothes. We have to prefer only cotton and light colored clothes. Okay, children? Yes. Never wear black colored clothes in summer season. Why we should not wear black colored clothes means they make us feel very hot. Black color clothes వేసుకున్నప్పుడు ఇంకా చాలా వేడిగా అనిపిస్తుంది మనకి. So we should not wear any black colored clothes. That's because dark colors absorbs more heat than the light colors. Why we should prefer only light color clothes in summer season means these light color clothes will not absorb heat. But as well these black and dark colored clothes will absorbs more heat. ఎండని ఎక్కువగా తీసుకుంటాయి అన్నమాట. Absorbs more heat. Absorbs more heat. So we should not wear any black colored and dark colored clothes in summer season. Okay children, this is about summer season. If you see here in this page number 55, this is summer season indicates with the sun and the boy is wearing cooling glasses. Yes or no? And here all these are cotton clothes and the light colored clothes. Cotton clothes and light colored clothes. See, what is about summer season means in summer season which type of clothes we should wear? Which type of clothes we should wear means we have to wear only cotton and light colored clothes. Cotton clothes and light colored clothes. Why we have to wear only cotton and light colored clothes? Because these cotton and light colored clothes will keep our body cool. Okay, next. We should not wear any black color and dark color clothes because this black color and dark color clothes will absorb more heat. So we should not wear any black or dark colored clothes. We have to prefer only cotton and light colored clothes. Okay children? So in summer season while we are going outside also we have to take more care. We have to wear caps, we have to wear cooling glasses, everything we have to wear and we have to go outside. Okay children, so this is about summer season. This is about summer season. Let's see in the next page what is this. It is a rainy season. You see here rain is there, the girl is carrying umbrella. Yes or no? Yes, here the boy is wearing something to his head. Yes or no? So this is about rainy season. Now we'll see about rainy season. Winter season we completed. Winter we completed and summer we completed. And now about rainy season. In which season we'll get more rains? In rainy season only we'll get more rains. Yes or no? Yes. We all love to get wet in the rain. వర్షంలో తడవాలంటే మనందరికీ ఇష్టమే కదా, అవునా కదా? అవును. But we should not get wet in the rainy season, in the rains. We should not go out into the rains and we should not play because we will attack with a cold, headache and fever. And again after that we have to go to hospital, we have to take injections, tablets, everything. So we should not go into the rains and we should not get wet. Okay children, we all love to get wet in the rain but we should not go. అందరికి చాలా ఇష్టం వర్షంలో తడవాలి అంటే, కానీ అలా తడిచినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, మనకి జలుబు చేస్తుంది, తలనొప్పి వస్తుంది, ఫీవర్ వస్తుంది. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో వి షుడ్ నాట్ గో ఇంటు ద రెయిన్స్. అందుకోసం ఏం చేయాలి అంటే మనం రెయిన్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళి తడవకూడదు అనమాట. ఓకే, వి ఆల్ లవ్ టు గెట్ వెట్ ఇన్ ద రెయిన్ but it is not good always. Only sometimes it is good but it is not good always. Okay, so we protect ourselves from not getting wet by using umbrellas and raincoats. You see, it's an emergency. We have to go to the shop or we have to go to the school for somewhere. We have to go outside of the house, and outside it is full of rain. And outside it is full of rain. At that time, how you will go? How you will protect your body to go out in the rain? At that time only we will use umbrellas. Yes or no? Umbrellas we will use. Godugulu untayi kada, we will carry umbrella. Raincoats. Yes or no? We will be having raincoats. In rainy season we will use umbrellas and raincoats to protect our body from the rains. Next, we wear gumboots to protect our legs too. Every day we will be wearing this leather shoes, and for school we will be wearing leather shoes or slippers. Yes or no? If these leather shoes and slippers, by wearing all this, if you go out in the rain, the leather shoes will get spoiled. If you soak into the water, that leather shoes will get spoiled. So which shoes we have to wear at the time to protect our legs? Leather shoes వేసుకుంటే కానీ మన షూస్ పాడైపోతాయి వాటర్లో తడిస్తే. So at that time which shoes we have to wear? Which type of shoes we have to wear in a rainy season? We have to wear gum boots. What is that? Gum boots. These gum boots will not spoil. We can soak in the water. Water lo pettina tadavu annamata. Em paadavu. So we have to use gum boots in a rainy season. Okay. Why we have to use these gum boots means these gum boots will protect our legs. To protect our legs, we have to wear gum boots in rainy season. Leather shoes may get spoiled when soaked in water. The gum boots are made of plastic and waterproof. See, these gum boots are made of plastic and waterproof. So this plastic will not spoil when soaked in the water. Okay, children. So in rainy season we will protect our body by using these umbrellas, raincoats and gum boots. Okay, children. So this is about rainy season. So we have completed about the seasons: winter season, summer season and rainy season. Okay, children. Okay, next about kinds of clothes. Next one is the kinds of clothes. Next one is the kinds of clothes. See, do you know there are different kinds of clothes? Did you know? Do you know there are different types of clothes? All types of clothes ఉన్నాయండి మీకు తెలుసా? Sorry, children. Yes, we know there are different types of clothes. People living in different places wear different kinds of clothes. People wherever they were living, they will wear their type of clothes. Different types of clothes they will be wearing. If you stay in these villages, we will be wearing one type of clothes. Cities, one type of clothes. In Andhra Pradesh, one type of clothes. In Rajasthan, some other types of clothes. In every state, in every village, every city, there will be a different types of clothes. If you go to any functions, marriages or any functions, you will be looking there very different types of dresses. Yes or no? Yes. There will be different types of clothes. These are common clothes which we wear. See, children, here in this page, if you see here, there are different types of clothes. Yes or no? Yes. So once all of you look at this, all these clothes here, people living in different places wear different kinds of clothes. These are common clothes which we wear. All these are common clothes which we wear. We have also formal and casual clothes. We are also having formal and casual clothes. Formal clothes means while daddy or fathers or uncles, while they were going to their offices or they were while they were going to their schools or anywhere for their working field, they will use formal clothes. And casual clothes, while we are staying in our home, at home we will use casual clothes. రోజు వేసుకునే clothes ని casual clothes అన్నమాట. When your father goes out to the work, he wears formal clothes, but when he goes out to the market or elsewhere, he wears casual clothes. See, children, for example, what is there means casual. There are two different types of clothes: formal clothes and casual clothes. See, these formal clothes. What are the formal clothes? While your daddy or your father, your uncles, your grandfathers, while they were going to their offices or schools or some other works, okay, they will wear formal clothes: shirt, pant, belt, shoes, everything they will wear. Yes or no? Yes. So that type of clothes is called a formal clothes. And these casual clothes, why when they were going to the market or when staying at home, okay, children, like night pants, night t-shirts, there will be no. So when staying at home, what the clothes they will wear, their clothes will called as a casual clothes, daily wear clothes anamata. Daily, what they were wearing daily is called the daily wear clothes. Daily wear means they are casual clothes. Casual ga veskunevi, daily veskunevi, we call it as a casual clothes. And this formal clothes, while they were going to the offices, schools, works, anywhere, it is called a formal clothes. Okay, children. So, if you see here, there are different types of clothes. Yes or no? These caps are also is there. Mostly in weddings we will see, in marriages we will see this bridegroom and brideman. They wear this caps like this. All these are different types of clothes. Okay, children, kinds of clothes. And in this, in our clothes lesson, we had learnt about. See, children, our clothes lesson we had learnt about why we has to wear clothes. Okay. Next, why animals are not wearing clothes and why the people are wearing clothes. And about winter season. In winter season, which type of clothes we will wear, and why we has to wear this winter woolen clothes in winter season. Everything we learned. Yes or no? Summer season. In summer season, we has to wear cotton clothes and light colored clothes. Winter season, we has to wear woolen clothes. Why we has to wear woolen clothes? Why we has to wear woolen clothes means to keep our body warm. Summer season, cotton clothes to keep our body cool. Rainy season, umbrellas and raincoats to protect us, our body from a rain. And kinds of clothes, formal clothes and casual clothes. Formal clothes, when we will wear formal, when we will use formal clothes while going to the offices, works or any other places, we will wear formal clothes. And while we are staying at home, only staying at home or else going to the market in a village, in a local area, we will wear casual clothes. Okay, children. So this is our clothes lesson, children. So all of you once go through this animation and all of you look the animation. Okay, children. Thank you, children.